So, welcome to Math Help. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. In our previous lessons, we learned about permutation involving identical objects. Here, where we learned that if we have A, in here, two items, one item is repeating itself twice. That's A. So therefore, the formula becomes n factorial over the number of items. So we said P factorial. Now, what if, like the example given, parallel, in here we have two items repeating itself. A and L are both repeating themselves. So in this case, any item, any object or any main item of this form, the formula we can use here is, so parallel, for example, we can say that n, it has two repeating items, A and L. So we can say, let's use P for the first one. Then the next one we can use maybe R for the next one. You can choose to use any value you want to use here. You can choose to use A or L. So to make it more clearer, we can say or n factorial over, let's say, the number of items repeating. So A is repeating itself, then L is also repeating itself. Okay, so now let's solve this question. Parallel. A appears twice, L appears 3 times. Now n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items. And the formula we know is, n over the number of items repeating. We have 2 items. So let's say P for the first item, R for the next item. The reason why we do this is to cancel out in order to get only one item, because A is the same thing. When you arrange A and A, you will still get AA, so it is 1. So therefore, we have to cancel out in order to get one item for this. So here, parallel is 8. So 8 permutation over P stands for A. So A is 2. We want A to cancel out times R is L. L is 3 factorial. Now this becomes 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now we know that this stands for L. This stands for A. We want to cancel out to get only one item of L. So this L will cancel this. 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 times 1. So we get only one item here. Now we have A. A is 2 times 1, which is the same as 2. So 2 will go here, 2. Now we will get 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 2. 8 7 is 56. 56 times 6 will give us 6 3 3 3 6 here, times 5 will give us 30 3 5 80 1 15 16, right? Then times 2 will give us 16 3 3. So therefore the final answer for this is 3360. So this is the number of ways we can arrange a parallel without n and without P and R or A and L repeating themselves. Now using the manual way to solve this is a very tedious way. That is because you cannot be writing 3,360 items on your answer booklet. No, that is not accepted. We are working with speed and accuracy. Thanks for joining us on Math Help.